fun!
Walk lighting. Walk smart fans can be controlled from the Walk Smart Fan app, enabling smart features and full control of your fan from an iOS or Android device. Download the app to pair with the smart home tech you know and love, including Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, Ecobee, Control4, and Josh AI. Coming soon, Savant, Lutron Homeworks, and Nest. The Walk Smart Fan iOS or Android app can sync with your ceiling fan to control fan speed, use smart features like breeze mode, adaptive learning, create groups, and reduce energy costs. Carro Home Icebreaker Smart Ceiling Fan offers beautiful and high-quality finish options to fit any design style. Its matte black metal case and black fan blades will bring a sleek modern touch to your room. Made with ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, that has high tensile strength, very resistant to impacts and corrosion, which allows to withstand heavy use and adverse environmental conditions. Pavison Smart Ceiling Fan. Pavison 52-inch indoor ceiling fans with integrative LED light fixture and 5 brown wooden blades combines modern with farmhouse style. Keep your home stylish and inspired. Comes with 2 optional down rods 4 inches and 8 inches. The smart ceiling fan measures 52 x 52 x 19/15. Perfect for medium rooms to large house, 12 feet to 18 feet 18 feet, such as living room, lounge, bedroom, hallway, basement, children's room, dining room, nursery, or common area. The ceiling fans features superior quiet motor, reversible fan, upgraded 6 wind speeds, 4 timers. The powerful fan motor offers strong airflow without noise, making you fall asleep with quiet, cool wind.